In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the message board in Basecamp. Let's get started. First, open your project in Basecamp. Once you're inside, locate the message board section. Depending on your layout, it may appear in the sidebar, main navigation, or inside a project tab. Click on Message Board to enter the discussion area. This is where all team conversations are stored in one place, making it easy to track updates and decisions without searching through emails. Now, to start a new discussion, click Post a New Message. This will open a fresh thread where your team can view and respond to your update. Next, add a clear and descriptive title. Keep it short and specific so people can quickly understand the topic at a glance. After that, write your message in the body section. Start with a brief summary, then add the important details such as updates, decisions, deadlines, or questions for your team. If you need feedback, make it clear who should respond and what input you're expecting. Keep your writing simple, structured, and easy to read. Once everything is ready, review your message and post it. And that's it. You've successfully used the Basecamp message board to communicate with your team. This helps keep conversations organized, transparent, and easy to follow in any project.